Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your community building using Mighty Networks and LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by outlining your existing community on LinkedIn. Identify the purpose and core values of your LinkedIn community. Document the current demographics and interests of your LinkedIn members. Next, create a Mighty Networks account if you haven't already. Once logged in, set up your community on Mighty Networks. Choose a unique name that reflects the essence of your community. Design an inviting and visually appealing cover image. Next, customize your community's description to highlight its benefits. Then, outline the different content categories you will offer. Start migrating your discussions from LinkedIn to Mighty Networks. Select key posts and resources that resonate with your audience. Reformat those posts to fit the format of Mighty Networks. Encourage discussions by asking open-ended questions in Mighty Networks. Utilize the events feature on Mighty Networks to host virtual meetups. Promote these events through your LinkedIn community to drive traffic. Create guides or resource materials that help members adapt to the new platform. Develop a communication plan for keeping your LinkedIn community informed. Share content regularly to keep engagement levels high. Consider strategic collaboration with influential members from your LinkedIn network. Foster a welcoming environment by encouraging introductions in Mighty Networks. Monitor and respond promptly to member inquiries and feedback. Analyze engagement metrics on Mighty Networks to gauge community health. Adjust your strategies based on member feedback and activity levels. Maintain consistency in your branding across both platforms. Gradually phase out heavy engagement on LinkedIn as your community grows. Encourage members to invite others who may benefit from the community. Celebrate milestones and achievements within your Mighty Networks hub. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your community building efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.